Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a jerk chicken, but straight in the oven, not on the grill this time, in the oven. I'm going to take you step by step through this process in this video. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, just to let you know you're welcome, and I'm happy to have you guys. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe for this video tutorial. Let's jump into the video. Here I have a chicken. Just gonna take it out of the package. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna trim it up a bit. Then I'm gonna cut it, start from the bone, the back part here. This is what you want. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna core it a bit. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get my tray, put some, this is my jerk rub, which is the same thing in this package. I will put a link to the description to the website. Put your chicken in. Now I like to season my chicken, you know, from inside, then go outside, but it's personal preference. Make sure you get your seasoning even on it. Be generous with it. If you want, you can just give it a couple cuts in here just for the seasoning, you know, soak through properly. And turn it over on the other side. Same thing, if you want to core it a bit on this side, feel free to do so. So now I have my wet mix. This is some I put in the bottle, which is the same in this. Now be generous with this. So you're going to rub it all over. Turn him over. repeat the same process. So with this, if you want to put some dry thyme over it, feel free. So now I'm going to put it in the oven and on about 250 degrees, and then you watch it, just keep checking it. But I'll take you through the process anyway. Stay tuned. So I'm going to go ahead and take the chicken out the oven. So this is what you do. It's not ready. So just get a spoon. And what you're going to do, just take some of the juice and just baste it. This helps to keep it moist and soft. So have about 15 more minutes in the oven. So just pour the juice all over. And then I'm going to put it back in to finish. So what I'm going to do here now, and this is like personal preference, just going to cook myself a little bit of fried rice. You know, I have some leftover white rice, which I cook off camera. Here, I have some peppers, zucchini, you know, a bit of chili, onion. I'm just going to put them all in. You know, you can eat it with the traditional, you know, Jamaican rice and peas, but it's just a personal preference. So I'm just going to add some seasoning to that, just some all-purpose. So I have like half bowl of rice. Just going to throw it in. Going to increase the gas. I'm going to add just a little bit of dark soy. Okay, so this is ready. So now I'm just going to make myself a little bit of salad. Here I have some red cabbage, normal cabbage, bit of onion, cucumber. So I'm just going to add everything in. Bit of extra salad. Just going to combine them together. So now I want to test the jerk chicken now. So here I have it on a different board. You have the breast here. Look at that. Look at that. Now I have my plate. Just gonna slide it over on the plate. Like so. So I have my veggie fried rice. Just gonna put some on him to accompany this my dinner. Ladies and gentlemen, please do remember to like, share, subscribe, and thumbs up the video. So that should be enough. So next I'm gonna put some salad on. And that's a dinner. Serve. Look at that. Doesn't get any better than this. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. So the jerk chicken is out. I'm gonna cut it open for you to see what it looks like. So on top is just some seasoning on it, so it's not burned.